Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing the system so fixes won't make things worse. Create a restore point and back up any critical files, then sign in with an administrator account. Once done, temporarily disable third-party antivirus because it can block update components. Next, run the built-in Windows Update Troubleshooter from Settings System Troubleshoot. It automatically checks services, cache, and common registry entries. This immediate action addresses the majority of simple failures and gathers clues for deeper steps if problems persist. Now you'll repair the core update components that often cause errors. Open an elevated PowerShell or command prompt and stop services like WiwaServe, Bits, and Crypts so files aren't in use. Then remove or rename software distribution and cacheroute 2 folders to clear corrupted caches. This forces Windows to download fresh update metadata. After that, reset update components using the registry and exe commands, restart the services you stopped, and reboot your PC. Doing this fixes mismatched files and stuck download states. For persistent errors, run System File Checker and dism so you repair corrupted system files. sfc/scano, then dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health. These restore integrity and enable updates to apply. If automatic updates still fail, download specific MSU packages from the update catalog and install manually to bypass the broken path. Make sure to reboot between attempts. If nothing works, perform an in-place repair, install, or restore to the earlier restore point. Troubleshooting tip: check the Windows Update log for specific error codes to target solutions quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.